Alright. Wait. Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Sorry. Okay, wait. I'm just trying to stand this.
Wait, I need to load.
Okay, screw it. I'm just gonna put it in front of the ambulance. Alright. Are you guys ready?
Wait.
What's wrong?
I need to load.
You didn't load it before?
I just like.
Alright, one. Right. Get ready. Set. Go.
Where should go?
Not
100%.
Go.
I just.
Jesus, it's hot.
There's another one.
There's another one? Where is it?
Where is it?
I have to be on second berm. Right there.
Right where you shot?
Yep.
It's kind of in cover. It's gonna be hard.
That one's a blank.
Yeah, that's what I was testing it.
Oh dang, the frickin' things came off.
What?
Are you guys ready? Oh. There's another one?
Oh,
No,
can
I just decided
Sean,
to
may I
place
use this
that,
mag?
I just got a bullseye on that red side. Uh-oh, trap.
Sean.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna use this mag.
Alright. It's not, I don't think it's full. Ooh, hey.
Wait, can we get this? I want to try this.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, holy shit.
Oh yeah! Fire! Fuck yeah!
No, I did not. Trigger. It fired like. Target gone. Where the fuck are you?
Dude, that thing.
Sorry!
You're street shitter. Please stop shitting in the street.
Sean, may I? Is there one?
You gotta load a mag though. At least one. You can use a fresh mag, but right after you have to load it. Here.
Semi-automatic rifle fires it like a fucking bolt action.
Dude, this thing's so fast. This new trigger, I don't regret buying it.
I should
Is
get
that
it.
60 bucks I spent? Alrighty.
Everyone stomp at the top of the hill.
Wait, you can't shoot that.
What's wrong?
It'll go over.
No, it won't. There's a gun behind it.
Oh.
Everyone see it?
Found it. Sean, we have failure.
What? Are you holding the mag back or? No, when we put it in.
I love that Sonic.
What's wrong?
Having a little issue.
Alrighty.
Here, Alan, help me load this.
It's probably fully loaded. Oh, it's fully loaded?
Yeah.
Oh, it was.
Oh yes. Oh. The Bluetooth speaker's on.
Yeah, turn it on.